So it was super value add for that. So there's people that drive by this now and they thought that they built a new facility. They have the new sign, the whole new color out there. They thought they'd never seen this place before. They thought, this is a brand new place out there. It was invisible, right? So invisible means the bog. I just shared it, but I didn't mean to. But did you guys know what a bog is? Boots on the ground. But having somebody there, boots on the ground, like where somebody can get to that property, check it, test it, you know, having somebody that knows what's going on there. We like to have a bog, boots on the ground. Rob and Cindy live in Nevada, and they are a bog for us. They're partners with us in a bog on a property we own, bought in Nevada. They've been married 34 years, long time. They've had a business for just as long, but they had never bought their own real estate. They always, their business, they rent where they have their business. They have a house they bought, but they've never bought commercial real estate. So when we started partnering, teaming up with them, they first became commercial real estate investors, and then they became general partners in a deal with us. And I'm gonna go through that case study, them being a general partner with us. So on this deal, the seller had an unfortunate death for the seller. None of the family wanted to or was, you know, able to really take over the deal. So kind of like a house, kind of, you guys, a lot of you may have seen that, like happens in houses a lot, but this happens in commercial as well. So the family didn't want to operate it, they needed to sell. Was distressed. It was, you know, wasn't performing. They had been neglecting it, and there was no records. There was not very good records. Like they had maybe their tax returns was all they had as far as things went for the financials. So if you don't have good records and tax financials, what does that mean for the deal properly? It's not bankable, right? So the banks don't want it. We call that not bankable. So you can't get a loan, a conventional loan on it. What does that open the opportunity for? Seller financing. Seller financing is just as common in commercial real estate as it is in houses. We're purchasing it way below the market value. The land itself is worth $500,000. The buildings, replacement cost of buildings was $1.2 million, so it's at least worth $1.7 million. Buildings were old, but good bones. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures. These are like concrete buildings, concrete block type buildings. Lacked modern self-storage tech, right? So it lacked that. We knew this is gonna be great for us. So here's the property. What do you guys think? Great opportunity. Old sign. Now this land here is not part of it. This road runs back to the property here. This is all grown up, old signage here, old looking buildings. Great opportunity. I'm gonna show you guys where we went with this and how we move this forward. Location is important. And I talked about the numbers. Carson City, 65,000. This is store and lock right here. So 65,000, what did I say? How many square feet per person? 7. So what's 65,000 times 7? So I got 455,000. We found when we went and checked the area, current available storage is 405,000. So what does that tell you? We need more, so we could go build. But it also tells me this is a good buy and there's no reason that it should have low vacancy. It has low vacancy because it's just been mismanaged. Because we're at 89% of what the market can handle. So we're in a good position to buy this, as long as we buy it at the right price. So you don't want to overpay for it. This is the competition in this area. We're here. We got A, B, C, and D, all right, in this whole city. But what do? We go secret shop all of these. How do you secret shop, guys? Pick up a phone, call them. What if they don't answer? Call again, go visit them, see if you can get something. And if they don't answer, right, it tells you also like maybe, you know, they're full or they're not doing that well either, and you may want to buy them also. But you go and you get all the data that supports your comps, right? This is just like you would do if you're finding comps for apartments, but here we're finding, hey, what's the comps for the storage and to know how much we're under the value. So we found that we're undervalued and we're vacant. So what is our business plan? We're gonna raise the rent to the market, to match the market. We're gonna create visibility by updating the Google listing and signage. This is still the old picture of this property. We're gonna improve operations. This is old style access here, and de-staff the office. So they had an office with staff there, watchmen and things. We're gonna de-staff the office, put in some automation and put in cameras and things as well. And then get the accounting updated so we can finance it. So here's a little bit as we went through. You guys like that? Kind of looks like U-Haul almost, doesn't it? make it look better. That's one of the biggest things. Make it look better and make it stand out. Here's the old sign. Look at this. What do you see different? Color. So it's lit up also at night. So we're in Nevada, like you got a lot of sun. We got panels on there. So we didn't run electric to it. We just used some solar panels with this. What else do you see? We asked the neighbor, hey, do you mind if we go clean up your property for you? And it's basically a weed eater, right? Guy out there, bzzz, and half a day and it was done. So it was super value add for that. So there's people that drive by this now and they thought that they built a new facility. They have the new sign, the whole new color out there. They thought they'd never seen this place before. They thought, this is a brand new place out there. It was invisible, right? So invisible means nobody's going there to door anything because nobody saw it.
Hey guys, I'm here with Olivia Hathaway.
And many people behind the scenes. So right now we are pricing our elevator pitch that everybody should have that 30-second elevator pitch. So that's what we're doing right now.
What is yours?
Come learn real estate with us. I can't wait to get to know you. Let's fire your boss before he fires you through real estate.
I love that one.
So
Let's fire our bosses, guys.
So
That is a great one.
possible.
As soon as possible. Hey, message us if you guys want to hear more. We're here for you.